Hello everyone! Welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'll show you 4 ways to use TikTok for business. Let's get started. Wondering how to use TikTok for business? Looking for tips to increase your TikTok success? In this video, you'll discover 4 ways your business can succeed on TikTok. You've likely seen the ways brands use Instagram to engage with consumers through posts, stories, live videos, and IGTV. TikTok allows brands to engage with other users through video, only in shorter, bite-sized clips. In the last 12 months, brands have created accounts on the platform to explore and engage with consumers. On TikTok, you can find everyone from influencers and celebrities to politicians and the average Joe. The allure of TikTok for businesses is the sheer number of active users on the platform. It's still unclear exactly how the algorithm works, but it seems to be much easier for your video content to go viral on TikTok than other social media platforms. If your business is ready to try TikTok, here are 4 types of content to get you started. Number 1. Create your own content on TikTok. Even if your brand isn't well known, it all starts with planning great content and using the following best practices. Be authentic. Most social media users don't have access to expensive camera equipment or production budgets. They create content with their phones and their time, which is authentic to who they are. Take the same approach with your own content by revealing your brand's true personality. Users will feel connected to you and relate to you, which builds trust. Use two-way magic ingredients. The two-way ingredients that generally lead to TikTok content going viral are pets and children. Because the platform's demographic is younger, there's more interest in watching humorous and entertaining videos with children and animals. If your office has a mascot or office pet, include it to your content, and consider having one of your team members' kids to teach you a #challenge dance and film it. TikTok isn't the place for squeaky clean first impressions and fake smiles. It's a place for authentic entertainment, humor, and fun. Next, add your own spin. You don't have to struggle to come up with new and unique content ideas for TikTok. The platform is based around community engagement and hashtags, so all you have to do is find an existing content and make it your own. Take part in hashtag challenges or trending dances and songs. If there's a trend in your niche about having a productive morning routine, show your own. Your unique brand story and personality will differentiate you from others in the same category. Before you start creating content, get a feel of TikTok's unique style. It's not a formal or uber-professional platform. It's a space for users and brands to experiment with trends, act silly and playful, and show another side of themselves. Then, create your first video. And if you need help on creating your first TikTok video, we have a video tutorial to help you out, and you can find it here on our channel. In creating your TikTok video, you can add music, effects, text, and many more. Then, share your video, where you can add hashtags, tag your friends, add links, and decide who can see the video. You can even save it on your album. Number 2. Curate and share user-generated content on TikTok. While TikTok's nature is fun, playful, and casual, it takes some real thought and creativity to produce content that delivers on the premise. Brands especially need to plan their content to get the best return on their efforts. Number 3. Advertise on TikTok. Like other social media platforms, TikTok is moving toward a monetized future where brands can pay to have their ads shown to users. Here are 4 ways TikTok allows you to pay for ads within the app: brand takeovers, native ads, sponsored hashtag challenges, and branded lenses. And I also have a video regarding to these ads, and you can check it out here on our channel. So, moving on to number 4. Develop influencer-created content on TikTok. Like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, your brand can use influencer marketing to expand your reach. Influencers on TikTok have varying numbers of followers and therefore varying degrees of influence. Generally, the more followers an influencer has, the more expensive they are to work with. However, the return of investment has the potential to be tremendous. As a brand, you can approach relevant TikTok influencers and propose a working relationship with them, but it's important to be strategic about whom you want to partner with. If your brand sells beauty accessories, working with a video game influencer isn't the best fit. Find influencers who work within your niche and whose personalities align with your brand's values. TikTok is here. It doesn't seem to be going anywhere, so get familiar with the app and have some fun. So, what do you think? Does TikTok make sense for your business? If you already have a TikTok account, what type of content do you share on your platform? Share your thoughts on the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that you can get online courses platform with integrated marketing, with hosts anywhere, supports 17 languages, and 6 profit-boosting plugins included? That is, Course Funnels by Technic Force. Create and market courses online. Course Funnels helps you make courses and trainings that actually get sales. It's easy. You will have your first course set up on day number 1. It has a powerful dashboard, easy course editor, robust communication center, email marketing inside, and accepts payments any way you want. It has money-saving plugins included, and it supports third-party scripts, and has reports and analytics. Get instant access to Course Funnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.